You're watching 10 Quick Facts on the O-Train. Let's get started. Fact number 1. O-Train Line 1 is fully electric. Trains receive their power from an overhead catenary system or wire by means of a pantograph located on the top of the train. This wire provides 1500 volts electric power to the traction motors on the train and the onboard systems. Fact number 2. O-Train Line 1's LRVs can reach a top speed of around 100 to 105 kilometers per hour. However, in actual passenger service, they'll rarely go over 80 kilometers per hour. The higher speeds are typically found outside of the downtown core, for example between Searville or Blair, or Bayview and Tunney's Pasture. Fact number 3. All of the O-Train lines have an operator on board the train. Despite O-Train Line 1 being an automated line, there's still an electric rail operator on board every train, ensuring to have an extra set of eyes and vigilance on what is happening on the train and on the tracks. This provides for enhanced safety and security, and also assists in providing a rapid response should there be an issue on board the train. O-Train Line 2 and Line 4, however, are entirely manually operated. The operators physically and manually control the speed and braking of the train, observing all signals along the way for safe and secure operation. Fact number 4. O-Train Line 1 uses the Alstom Citadis Spirit LRV or light rail vehicle. This is a brand new vehicle that was first launched and designed for Ottawa's O-Train system. You can now also see it on the Toronto TTC's Line 6 for the Finch West. It is an entirely low-floor vehicle which ensures full accessibility from one end to the other. Fact number 5. The entire O-Train system is fully grade separated. This means there's no level crossings with roads, making it safe and fast. It eliminates delays from traffic congestion and helps keep winter operations smooth and predictable. Fact number 6. The downtown tunnel, which is part of the O-Train Line 1, runs 2.5 kilometers long and stretches from just north of Ottawa Station to just east of Pimissy. It includes 3 stations, Rideau, Parliament, and Lyon, and has a maximum depth of around 26 meters at Rideau Station from street level. This tunnel is the biggest improvement O-Train Line 1 brought to the transit system, providing a quick, reliable, and consistent transit through the downtown core that was constantly being impeded by traffic lights and road congestion. Fact number 7. Each LRV or light rail vehicle on Line 1 is composed of 4 modules, 2 of which are the end modules, where the operator is stationed. There's also an intermediate module for extra passenger space, and a middle module. That's the one with the single door and the pantograph on top. All of these modules are connected by an articulated joint and bellows, ensuring that people can travel from one end of the train to the other without being exposed to the elements and in complete safety. Fact number 8. The new Stadler Flirt vehicles that are used on O-Train Line 2 are actually electric. They receive their power from a diesel power pack located in the middle of the train that supplies the power necessary to operate the electric traction motors to move the vehicle. The train can be converted in the future to fully electric by removing the power pack in the middle and adding a pantograph, should the need ever arise to switch to fully electric operation. Fact number 9. O-Train Line 2 and Line 4's vehicles, so namely the Stadler Flirt and the Alstom Caradia Lint, are maintained and serviced at the Albion Yard Maintenance and Storage Facility. This is a new facility that replaces the old Walkley Yard, where the trains from the previous iteration of Line 2 were maintained and serviced. You can see a full behind-the-scenes look at this facility on our YouTube channel, with the link in the description. Fact number 10. Winter operations are a major factor and challenge. Switch heaters, for example, are used to help keep the track switches clear from ice and snow buildup, allowing them to smoothly move from one position to another. Overhead catenary system can also ice up, keeping trains operating throughout the night to prevent the buildup, or using de-icing agents applied to the line prior to storms can also help maintain proper electrical contact for the trains and the pantograph. There's also the matter of keeping the tracks themselves clear, continually operating the trains on the lines to help brush and push away the snow, or deploying specialized equipment along the line in the off hours or during heavy snowfalls also is a critical operation to keep the tracks clear and operational during any storm. And since it's our first video, here's bonus fact number 11. Does the O-Train Line 1 operate in the winter? Yes, it does. Thanks for watching O-Train 10 Quick Facts. I'm Seguin. Be sure to subscribe and catch us in the next one.